All right, this is my choice.
The whole combo package?
Yeah.
All right.
I will give you $20 for the both of these.
20 bucks? I couldn't do that. I could do 50.
I'm at Prestige Pawn in West Virginia. Sometimes if you can't find a guitar store, you can find a pawn shop and find just as good stuff. So there's a lot of actually really nice guitars in here, but my goal today is to assemble the absolute cheapest pawn shop rig and then shoot it out against maybe the most expensive rig I can assemble back in my studio. So let's see what they have here. This is Fender, okay, so Fender Musical Instruments. So it's a Fender, 4-inch speaker maybe? But 19 bucks, how can you beat that? That's pretty good. I'm gonna set this aside. This one is 99. Might be a contender. This one's got an autograph on it.
Oh. Whose?
Comes with a soft case. Montgomery somebody. Kind of a cool blue color. I like that. Austin, another Austin.
Oh.
Don't
You
tell
break
anybody.
it, you buy it.
Don't tell anybody about that. Oh shit. My bad. Ooh, this is actually a girthy guitar and it looks pretty sweet. Oh, it's got a big old crack right there.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
I might be able to get them down to 99 bucks because who's gonna buy this? I might have like a haggling
But should you
advantage.
have a backup?
Yeah, my backup is the $99. The first step is to tune the thing. I won't be able to feel what it sounds like without the tuning.
Tyler, can you move a little bit this way so they can walk through?
Oh yeah, sorry. Doesn't sound bad. So we got Prestige basic volume treble bass with a dirt channel for 19 bucks. That's tough to beat. This guitar sounds good. It probably just needs a little bit of an intonation adjustment and maybe lower the bridge a little. But I don't think this crack affects anything. Pickups sound good. There's no fuzz or any sort of crackling. All right. Now, just out of curiosity, I want to grab that other guitar, see if there's like a massive difference between this one and that $99 one. Stay tuned.
Yeah, it's perfect.
This one actually feels pretty good.
You'd have to.
I'll do 750 on it.
I'm telling you, man. I do that all the time, dude. I do that all the time. That's why I made shadows. I did it once.
This one has a lot more dynamic range.
Sounds good. I like it.
Luckily, it was just one of my friends.
channel. It's just one setting. Tiny little fret buzz issue, but it's not anything that's detrimental to the tone. So I think also just a minor adjustment right there. So it's an intonation thing, which is common, you know, if a guitar is not looked after for a while and then somebody's like, I'm getting rid of this thing, they tend to neglect it, but it just needs a little tender love. The good thing is the tone, again, the pickups, the tone, all sounds pretty good. So it's not necessarily a way you try out guitars to analyze if they're, you know, an instrument worth having. It's not necessarily if they sound in tune, because that's usually just a maintenance issue. It's really about the dynamic tone issues. Dynamic tone. So we have two different kind of fields here. Then we have So I think I actually might go with this one. It's not as cool looking as the other one. Doesn't have any battle scars, but it's a pretty nice guitar for 99 bucks. And it should be formidable in the shootout. All right, this is my choice.
The whole combo package?
Yeah.
All right.
I will give you 20 bucks for the both of these.
20 bucks? I couldn't do that. I could do 50.
25.
50 bucks is the best I can do on this kind of thing.
All right, 30.
No. 50 bucks, the tops.
Highest I'm going, 40 bucks.
50, my man. That's what you'll need.
50.
60 bucks.
Okay, 60.
All right, deal.